Today we are going to discuss the short trick for the molarity and molarity numericals. So there are some shortcut formula you can see. The first one is molarity is equal to percentage by weight into 10 into density of solution by molecular weight of solute. Next shortcut formula is second one, this mole fraction of solute by mole fraction of solvent is equal to molality into molecular weight of solvent by 1000. Next formula is density of solution is equal to molarity, the whole bracket 1 by molarity plus molecular weight of solid by 1000. So these are the shortcut formula which we can use in the numericals to solve it easily. So here I express the what is the symbol meaning, that is molarity. Capital M is molarity of the solution, D solution is the density of the solution, MW2 is the molecular weight of the solute, Chi2 is the mole fraction of the solute, Chi1 is the mole fraction of solvent, small m is the molarity of solution, and MW1 is the molecular weight of solvent. So we are going to use this short trick in the question. So here it is one. This came in NEET 2011. The question is mole fraction of the solute in a 1 molar aqueous solution is. So here we need to calculate the mole fraction and we have given molality. So we are going to use the shortcut formula, that is Chi2 by Chi1 is equal to molality into molecular weight of solvent by 1000. As we know, the sum of the mole fraction of the solute and solvent will be 1. So here we can find out the mole fraction of the solvent, 1 minus mole fraction of the solute. Okay, so this value we can put over here. So the formula will become mole fraction of solute upon 1 minus mole fraction of solute is equal to molality into molecular weight of solvent by 1000. So in the question we have given 1 molar aqueous solution. So we have the molality, that is small m is equal to 1, MW1, that is the molecular weight of solvent, it is aqueous solution. So here we'll put the molecular weight of water, that is 18. So we'll put all the values. Chi2 we need to calculate, molality is 1, molecular weight of solvent 18. So here we can calculate the value of mole fraction of solute, that will be 0.0177. So our option C is correct. So answer is your C. So next question we are moving to, that came in JEE subjective. So first we need to see the question, that is calculate the molarity and molality of the solution if the density of the 10% by mass of KCl solution is 1.06 gram per centimeter cube. So we have the density, we have the percentage by mass, and we need to calculate the molarity. So if we have the direct shortcut trick for this, we have given the density of solution, that is 1.06. We have the percentage by mass of the solute, that is 10. Molecular weight of solute, it is a KCl solution. It's a KCl solution. So molecular weight of KCl will be 74.5. So here again we are using a short trick which is showing the relation between the percentage by weight and the molarity. The relation is molarity is equal to percentage by mass of solute into 10 into density of solution by molecular weight of solute. So here are the values we need to put over here, then we'll get the molarity value. Now next thing, in the question they are asking for the molality also. So capital M is molarity, small m is molality. So this formula, this shortcut formula is showing the relation between the capital M and the small m. So the formula is density of solution is equal to molarity 1 by molality plus molecular weight of solute by 1000. So we have the molarity, we have the density of solution, we'll put over here, that is 1.06 and 1.42, 1 by molality, that we need to calculate. By using this equation we can directly calculate the molality. So these are the short trick. Thank you.